Okay, I got one idea.
I'm sure the water. Yes, my people. They are roll out. We are roll out. Go up on a riverside. Idea, guys. We are in the trouble once more again. One lazy. Yeah, man.
World dog. What? Place in here.
We are roll out, my people. See it? Another day. So yes, my people. Let me say we just roll up on a riverside. Go have fun. Go on with the cooking, my people. Yeah, man. Now we are going to cook up back some rice and peas, conch, sea cat mix. And we want to cook a second meat, guys. We are planning, we don't know, we are planning to do some curry. But hopefully it can be curry goat, you know. Yeah, man. So as soon as we reach down at the food man, my people, we get back to you. Yeah, man. So with the food man have everything: melon, apple, papaya, everything. Onion. Rasta man, that you see it right on the main road, my people. Everything.
I'll go buy some. Everything that's
So you see it? Today I get everything we want, my people. And we soon going to the supermarket. That. Yes, my people, welcome back on the river once more again. So yes, today we're back on the river again, guys. Show you where I go on. We come for another cookout, guys. And I want to tell my people, the guys them say them can't get enough of the curry, conch and the sea cat. So we're there back to them people to perform the same menu. Yes, my people, we're there back again, man, to perform the same menu. Curry, conch, octopus, rice and peas. Now you know, we're there with a fever. Show you where I go on. Yeah, man, we're there. So this is how I go on today. You have trace the same way. That's how I go on. You have night chocolate, everything. Today what is up? I go and prepare the fire, stick them. The fire side I go and prepare. And today guys, if you don't notice, we bring some blocks with it. Because the last time we come with people, the stone and the river stone and they give you a big fight. You know? So every minute them burst, when you eat it, them guys them burst. So we come today with some blocks. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, like I say, we're back on the river again, man, to perform another cookout, my people. So just go and stick and stay, my people. Yeah, man. So we're gonna get to work, you know, and do the right thing.
The match is on. I don't like it. Like, I want light. Water! Water! Light up!
Yeah. So yes guys, Lazarus light the fire. He never tell me say I light the fire. So he just light the fire. So me never catch when them light the fire. So me I show you the fire now. The fire light me people. Yeah man, so that means to say you know we not waste no time. Lazarus and Twinny, them not waste no time me people. Lazarus and Twinny, them serious about them cooking guys. So them a get to business. So you know so as soon as the fire catch properly guys, we are going to put on the peas on the fire. And my sister that my people, my sister decides say he want to be a part of the kitchen this time around guys. Him not shy. So see him run from the smoke my people. Twinny, Twinny a sharpen with the knife like he might get to business. No.
Yeah.
Twinny see girl in the kitchen you know, so he want to be a part of the kitchen too.
I like the girls them. Me not see girl, me head hot me. Me mad out if me not see the girls them.
So my sister that this so know me people. She has scraped the carrot. So we are run mosquito and in the meantime with the fire my people. Yeah. Whole heap of mosquito up on the riverside. You see it's the big chef today. Yeah man. Butter. Chef today. And me are the video man today guys. Me not going to do no cooking. Yeah man. So we are get to work my people. Sister this I got up the carrot. Twinny there I deal with the conch. I prepare the conch to beat it. Then I split it in a two. Yeah man. I split it in a two to beat it.
Make sure the peas in our pot.
So Twinny now, I'm going to put on the peas, you know? Yeah man. And Twinny down here so, I wash the peas, you know? Yeah man.
So there you go with there and there. What you say there? You want more in there? Yes, what? Give me some.
Sea cat and conch on the river. That a go on, that is it.
They're young man.
Why don't you them drink and them move it highly, brother? It's most of it.
So highly more. In a public place, in a lock up place, they smoke, you know. I bet you know what I say them and I tell them say. What do you mean? We run out the whole of them. Whole life. Yeah? Okay, I got one idea. Nice to meet you,
So guys, we come leave the pot cover this week again. And we leave file paper, we not no file paper we could have used like a cover. So we going to use I think them call them ginger plants. We have to use two of them to the cover today.
They can't take it. Peace fly over.
No do nothing.
Eat and eat the cat.
There's a soft piece of pork there.
Eat and eat the cat.
What you say? Beat and eat the cat?
Yeah. Beat and eat the cat.
Yo, I'm gonna fight the wood, so. 2 man with 1 piece of wood. Yeah man, so we have cover to cover the pot now guys. See it? All courtesy of Lazarus. Pot cover you now.
Yo, pick me one another one. Dog stressed out here.
People. So we are scar the sea cat them, you know? Scar, we are scar them people. Yeah man.
Give me the knife.
Yeah man, we are visitor to the Pond River, my people. You know? Just a watch your vibe.
See backbone, they show every round circle, they show them back. Oh, man, I'm cutting it. Benny.
Yeah, I cook one pot to me and my daughter.
Oh. She's not bored.
No.
I'm two people now got double one. I'm picking that there, I've been on there. You know?
Drink you up now?
Yeah.
Take off the cat, Lazzy. Take off the cat, man, then go, then can't come out. So you do your things now. If I want to hear phone.
Show some cold water. I'll get some cold water and show pan. Get the pot, I'll take up some water and show pan.
And tap in it. That's it, them big and this and it. Pull up and pull up.
How much money ball in there?
That guy king I see. Hey, who wants some of that?
Look what right over town. Me I tell you the last time you say what's up for your fuck.
Treatment up on the river. And this is what you do by professional guys. I don't want to think now, you know, I cousin them. So me I tell you right now, I cousin them. Twinny, Mark Twin and Antoine, and them my chef in the kitchen guys. But today, I know say Joshua would do a better job. Yeah man, Joshua he would do a better job.
Hey, we can come every time now.
Let's say welcome.
no salt in there, man. He's not cooked already.
When you plant there, I'll go treat you.
When you plant there.
The people, we are about to get everything up and running. The peas are already on the fire. Sea cat skull, sea cat cut up, kong cut up. At this time to season up the sea cat. I remember the sea cat and the kong we are mixed together, guys, and curry. We are curry. So we are going to get to work, you know, and just start throwing some season. I remember we have all-purpose Maggi and we have season to the bone, guys. That are the two seasons what we are going to use today to get the perfect taste, guys. Yeah, man. And you see Maggi? From you use Maggi, you can't wrong. Yeah, man. Whenever time I cook, guys, that's the only season I use, and Maggi to the world. Yeah, man. The best seasoning in the whole wide world. Maggi. And whether I cook chicken or fish, I use Maggi all purpose, guys. I never change. Regardless them have Maggi fish seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, I just use the all purpose, guys. To me, the all purpose is the best. Pan chicken, fish, anything, Maggi all purpose. Yeah, man.
Look like I must have told that you know how to come here.
No, you're mad.
Wait, they're not past
$3 grand.
Wait. No,
I want me to buy with it. Me and 9 and
Yeah, good.
Season up.
this time man I have to go start doing it.
Season to the bone. That's the season we use. With the what? The Maggi. Watch what go on. Maggi all purpose. And the curry, a better pack curry. Use the better pack curry with the all purpose Maggi and the season to the bone, guy. That bring magic and give your food a nice taste. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. See it? So we have conch and sea cat, octopus mixed together. So we have in the Maggi and the season to the bone. And we are going to dash in some curry now, guys. And we like when the curry is strong.
Strong.
Very strong. Dash in curry. Dash in curry. Ease. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. You want a salt pan, brother? Yes, my people, we are prepared to set on the conch now. So we are prepared the okra, as you see, and we have make up back the fire. Conch well seasoned up. Yeah, man, and we are waiting for the peas to cook now, guys. Then we season up the rice pot, you know. Yeah, man, and then you know, we just chunk peel and go and wait till everything simmer down.
Come. Quick, audience.
We don't know their pay level, but we go in the message to get their pay.
You see how many are steam fish?
No, we're not giving
Alright, wait this.
If you want to melt down the take it out and go fix it.
What's it?
Just no run. I'm not trying to do over here. You see how that put on now?
Wait. Remember, say one song. You want more.
Right, yes or no, guys? We have all the magic, the secret ingredients in the coconut milk, guys. Yeah, man. You see it? We have butter. Alright, very good. We have butter in there, we have pepper in there, the coconut milk, and we have some all-purpose seasoning there. You see me? You know how we do it? We combine the coconut milk with everything. That's how we get just a nice, delicious flavor, guys. All courtesy of the Maggi, all purpose. So we have with scallion, we have with thyme, we have with ginger. Yeah, man. So everything in our one, so we're going to make one throw in the rice pot, guys. You see it? Alright, just all of the magic there. Sticky.
No, I don't want to put my hand.
Cut, you know, use your hand, cut, you know.
So where coconut milk for this stuff? You ready, me? Go in there, man, make it boil. Let's say you couldn't hold it in that pot. Any water you can, let me say that, make the water go in. What? Oi!
Watch your big chef now. Watch your big chef. Watch your big chef. She get love the adventure, eh? What you say? You get love the adventure, eh?
Yeah.
Come here, boy. Throw water, man. I want water.
Yeah.
Lazarus. AKA Lazarus.
Yeah, man, one lassie. Take a seat.
Make it in
Yeah, man. You ready? Season to the bone. We are going to link you, you know.
You hear that? Season to the bone and Maggi. So we are promote. Yeah, man, the best season round. Season to the bone and Maggi. Yo, we can't do without them two seasons there in our adventure. You see me? Wherever we take the adventure, we have to bring season to the bone and Maggi. Yeah, man, Maggi all purpose. People who don't need to try them two seasons there. If I have chicken in a season, use Maggi all purpose. If I have a fish, use Maggi all purpose. And season to the bone. Yeah, man, me I tell you, them season are the greatest. God is the greatest. Seasoned to the bone. Right on the river we bring on in, you know. You see it? And we are bringing in the sea cat and the conch together, pot. Yeah man, right on the river we bring on in, you know. You see it? Right in the sea cat and the conch together, pot we are bringing on, man. Watch where I go on. You see it? Right on the river we bring on. Yeah man, seasoned to the bone. Show them, sir, no joke, you see it? Alright, you see the pot and the season favor? That is it, man. Right on the river we bring on, man. Yes, my people, we have company. Yeah, man, we have a guest. We guess them just arrived. Yeah, man. You know, so we have a igloo, a liquor. Pinky! What happened? See people in the building, yeah.
Are we so through now? No.
Pick up that again, man. Remember we don't get wine, man.
I check it small.
Yes, sir.
After that.
Alright, now my people, you see, we just put on the rice. So we are going to just leave the rice, guys, to steam. And you know, the conch did a simmer. And we have some guests, guys, and one of the guests don't eat conch or sea cat, none of the above. So we say go and get this chicken for curry cook and far. They are my people. So we're there away from the rice, my people, to steam. Likewise, they don't know me say conch steam already. So we soon check in back with my people, you know. And chicken there on the ground, you know. You know, we have chop it up.
Where are the knife? Where the blue one?
Alright guys, right now we are prepare the chicken, you know. We are get seasoning up and running the chicken. Chicken there, so
Most time people left when they
skin them off and curry it.
cut up like so easy.
Bad time.
See it? Man, them have a drink same way.
Reach a lake, but we still there.
Yes, my people, chef just a reach.
We still there, you know.
I don't notice when you just see me in the video. Yeah man, you go on business.
Alright?
That is it.
There, see you, you know.
Up.
Whole team out.
Up. Right. Yeah man.
Yeah, literally.
Twin of them are going to get the chicken up and running.
Yo.
DJ butt over there, so.
Guess what you do now?
I clean up the scallion. Yeah man.
You don't want to rock one garlic.
Up on the end.
That's half the drink.
Yeah man.
One drink.
But
Like this.
Season to the bone at it again.
Don't worry, mix up that oil.
Season to the bone. Alright.
You can't mix Maggi.
Yeah man, Maggi. See it? Better pack curry.
Tell me, you know, ease up. Right, worry, enough curry over there.
Alright.
I'm putting this up first.
No.
Do it like how you did last week. Let me see. You have to cook this, you have to cook this one.
What on the top?
I'm sure to the
Throw it
water.
on the tray. Okay, when it's done. I ain't seen him here, man.
That's why I'm glad that I'm not ready to run.
I mean,
Yeah, go put you on the water. No filter added, hear that?
Where's it?
No filter added, fully brown and clean skin. Hear that? So man pretty, so man pretty in a real life. And not put on value.
we put the pineapple.
You don't know a thing go. But they have their own conversation, you know? And I twin them that, you know?
I know, sir. I saw you cannot see my way.
Outside.
Where you say?
Jesus.
Yeah man, we get a full dry at the moment, you know? Yeah man, we get a full dry at the moment, you know?
Everything will
Outside.
Make sure you're pulling stuff on the profile.
Ready? Go on, I'm call him say go on. Guys,
you see what you see it?
General them decide so they want to party on the river, you know. I don't know where I go on, you know. Because I don't notice food still on the fire. So, man, they come with a box and a little generator. So, a party man them say, you know. Watch what I go on. You see it?
Yeah, the power them see it. So this is
Party man them say on the river.
Just make sure so you can keep your fitness, huh?
Watch out.
What you say? Oh. Where is it? Where is it?
Try to sell me out. Let me find the chicken. Then try to sell me out. Let me find the chicken.
Mike is drunk. Don't listen to him. It's bad food here.
You want chicken?
Scoop, boy, scoop. One more. Hey!
Sit down, palm body and broke down. You dip in the throat and you love that. You just fly, you have to choke on it. The weed a kick in, you a float on it. Sex in a flip on the whole body. She get over the ex-man totally.
Where is it?
You'll be there like a man on the leasing.
And the whole of me fat to me, I do it from them. The music and me scam, I'm in a sleep from when I'm the same style trend. You know me, in a fight, dark like night. I'm a split of the light, I run me gun, can't fight. And to all me try to bend like bike. From a girl on the type, she have the screen tight. She see what she likes, she wants to squeeze my pipe. She a give it tonight, she send me beat like that. She look like a tambourine like that, like that. When I'm from me, you go.
Yo, you want to run them in?
Just to move the collective
Yeah, man, food nice, my people. Food done cook, body I eat. Food second, food third. Yeah, man.
Survives.
All the chef double up. See?
Yo!
Man, I cool the pole, man. The man cool, yo. Jano. Go and go warm upside that fire, man.
Go on with it. Dead, you're fucked. I think I did.
Is it cool? So yes, guys. We don't cook and eat up as you see the people. We there still on the river. I go and hold a vibe. We there hold a vibe and listen to some music. But you could charge him something there. Dead out far away. Brown in just a relax. See? Yeah, man. So we have to just stay and hold a vibe same way. You know?
Come to under you need. Hey man, why you not come here so?
Yes, man.